YouTube. In this video, we're going to discuss how to brighten and dim the instrument panel on the Kia Soul. And if this video helps you, make sure you leave a like, consider subscribing to help us hit our goal of 1,000 subscribers. Now, without further ado, let's get into it. So if you make your way to the left side of the steering wheel below the vent, you will see a button all the way on the left-hand side. It has a light icon with the instrument panel drawing behind it, and it has a plus and a minus above and below it. If you hit the plus button, you will brighten your instrument panel, and if you hit the minus, you will dim it, and you can set it to what you're best comfortable with. Now, it's the daylight right now, so you really can't see a big of a difference between the brightest and the dimmest point on this panel, but at nighttime it sure is noticeable. So that is how you set it. And if this video helped you, make sure you leave a like, consider subscribing, and I will catch you on the next one.